Tempura, I'm moving to A1. You don't need to follow me. You don't need to follow me. Okay. War, you
Baits
starting.
behind us.
Clear. Jump. Pin 4,
Bombing.
guys. Pin 4.
Sino pulungin nyo?
Woo! Nice bomb,
Okay.
Forza.
We bomb here.
I love that.
Ready?
I love that shit.
Yes, I'm ready. Actually,
Now we
nag-buff
just
na ako.
sweep them under the rug. Sweep them under the rug where no one can see
Heal.
them. Whoa, what a quick war. Very quick war. Good job, guys. Good job. Awesome. DDS, you can start.
Sige lang. Try nyo clear. Try to clear with beast. We still have Resistone.
I can protect you there.
Clear with beast, guys. Clear with beast.
Come to me so I can demo. Let DDS take care of that spot.
Yes,
Keep chaining them.
Resistone still up.
Press team, eh.
Spots. Likod mo ako.
I think we need to help pin 7. Help pin 7 now. Help pin 7. Pin 7.
Likod mo lang.
Pin 7. Move. Pin
Stay
7,
here.
move.
Purple mark. Pin 3.
I need help on pin 7.
Very clear space
Slowly
here.
dying now. Slowly
Can
dying.
freely
Keep
move here.
chaining,
We can freely
keep
move here.
pulling them down.
If kaya mo mag-heal from there,
You guys are
you don't have
awesome.
to.
Yeah, thank you.
Just support
Have
peace,
some
support
big
peace,
kills
Atol.
today. So, I
Medyo clearing na.
So, wow!
Ayun yung
What the
pick-up sa
fuck
atin.
is that shit? Lucifer on his
I'm
last
good.
day,
Ito makita.
elevating the boutique
Magkatabi tayo. Skull mark ako. Tatakbo na ako, wala nang racer.
Okay, we forgot to cap the stone, guys. Okay, pin 8, Mading and DDS. I need a scout on pin 1.
Disaster lang kita ko.
Okay. 8 tanks, I want you to
Bomb
stand
bridge
by
if they come.
A1.
Okay.
Keep pulling them down, okay? We will keep pulling them down.
Sige ba? Sure,
Spell
okay.
blades, I want more spell blades.
What's
on
the
pin 4.
guild pin
We need more space. Spell blades
for
on
that?
pin 4, you will push. We will
Ano yung
be
guild pin ng
able
bridge?
to pre-hit
A1,
them. We will
A1.
be able to
A1,
pre-hit
okay.
them. You are on pin
Guild
4.
pin
You
8.
go on the pin 8 choke. You
Okay.
want to go
We'll
pin
bump
3
pin 8.
again to go pin 4.
I-ano mo, per.
Okay, they're moving.
I-uncheck
Be
mo
careful,
yung
be careful.
large shield combat.
Oh no, Forza.
Okay. I think they're coming from pin 3.
Sa target.
Sa
No.
graphics, tas quality.
Get back.
Tas pinakababa.
Uncheck ko.
Oo.
Okay.
Okay, they will be
Maganda
coming from pin
Whis
3,
has
okay?
a very
They
good
will come from
position.
pin
If we
3. I
can
need
fight
more people
here
to stay
or
on
here,
pin 4.
I think you can bomb from
They are
high
splitting up.
ground.
They're splitting
Okay.
up. We prioritize.
Let the tank
pin
soak
8
first.
Prioritize pin 8 first. I seen. Kill.
Ooh,
Wait
okay.
for the people on pin 3, okay? Wait for the people on pin 3.
Okay. That's DDS team. They're pushing. Do you think they're buff? Do you wanna try?
people in pin 3 guys.
Let's go. Try.
Okay. Just keep killing them. On
Go.
pin 8. Good job.
Deva.
That's okay. Poke. Okay. I'm looking pin 3.
Okay, pull.
I'm late.
Okay,
Kill
we
me?
kill them. Kill them.
Pahila
Kill their
ko.
main
Babak
ball.
ako,
Finish.
backing ako.
White finish.
Oh shit.
Kill this guy capping the stone. Coming from pin 3, there are some people are dropping down. If you can snipe them, please do. Chain. A1 chain.
May nag-target hindi. First CC.
Yun ang sa snipe na yan. Medyo na-focus din ako sa baba.
Keep killing them. Kill everyone inside the stone now. They have pin 4.
Okay
I
na
need
sa
a
akin.
party
Tinatanggal lang yan.
going to pin 4.
Off nyo yung sabi ni yan.
Long range, if you are long range,
Hindi.
kill the people on
Pag white.
Forza, can you snipe people?
Winners ka talaga.
Buhay pa kayo dyan, no? Connect ako. Saan kayo banda?
Okay, if If you have
Nandito
blink
kami sa
strikes, go pin 4.
bangka.
Go up to pin 4.
42.
Nice chains, nice chains.
Pushing ba sila? Hindi pa naman.
Can we trash talk the
May
people
tao
that
lang dito
have
pero konti.
Okay, sige,
join?
sige. Stay lang tayo. Yeah, muna. Let's wait for Whis. Sige, fight tayo sa loob ng konti. Puro tank naman to halos pa.
Pin 7, pin 7. Few people in pin 7.
Okay, medyo nag-waste sila ng time
You can
dito.
chill, you can chill back, chill back, chill back, chill back. They're trying to push. Tanks, stand by on A1. Tanks, stand by on A1. They are pushing, they're
Tara,
pushing.
tara. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Here, here. Purple mark ha. Medyo umangat sila. Sige. Let them soak, let them soak. Huwag kayo
Nice,
pumasok sa
James,
bola.
nice,
Huwag kayo
James.
gumit na ng ball. Gilid-gilid muna. Tatimingan natin. Okay, ayun we can pick off here. Sige.
Ay, Devo, ay, Devo, ay, Devo.
Ay, Devo 2. Diba?
Huwag muna, huwag muna.
Wala, di pa ako nag-
Crossbow dag.
Yata nakaangat si Luis.
Whis.
No, nabita natin yung nag-
May Devo? Ay, nag-Devo, no?
Oo, nag-Devo ako. Nabita.
Sige. Wait
Yeah,
for
keep-
Whis.
keep
Hindi pa
pulling
naman,
them down, keep pulling them
they're
down.
still not pushing. AJ, hintayin mo na si Whis. Wait for Whis.
Apple.
Okay, slowly pushing. 14 seconds
Okay,
yung
we push
debuff
pin
ng
8. Okay, we
Devo,
push
ah.
pin 8. Get ready in 3, 2,
Wag
1.
muna tayo.
Go,
We
go,
don't
go,
have
buff
Devo
up,
yet.
buff
We
up,
don't
buff
have
up.
Devo
Hard
yet.
push
5
on pin 8,
seconds.
hard
5
push on
seconds.
pin 8.
We push on after 5 seconds.
Hard push on pin 8. Pull them, pull them,
No,
pull them.
they're
pull them,
backing.
pull
They're
them
backing.
back here,
We
pull
don't
them
have
back
to.
here.
We don't have to
A lot
push.
of people got pulled
Yes,
by
I'm,
me.
uh,
Good
Okay.
job, Hephaestus.
Nasa safe na iba.
Don't let them regroup. Good fucking job.
Okay, pick off lang tayo
Okay,
sa
now
bungad.
Now we chill. If you don't have buff now, chill. 3, 2, 1. Okay, go. You can pull back if you have buff. If you
Okay,
can
puro tank lang to
confident
nasa
keep
harap.
fighting. Go. Keep wiping them.
If
keep
may
wiping them.
mapansin kayong papunta na walking na SNS crossbow, sabihin nyo agad para maiwasan natin.
Putang ina, may builder ako.
Where are you?
Okay. Pull back. Back
Whis
to
is
the
here,
spawn, back to the spawn.
Andun si Whis.
DDS,
Meron
sa
try
isa.
to push, try to
Pin
jump.
three.
Oh.
Care on guild pin 3, care on guild pin 3.
Bait
I
mo muna
think
sila papasok
that's our
para
ano,
mapatay yung-
And talk.
bomber team. Res is here. See purple mark? Res. That's a SNS crossbow on pin 3.
Some people are in P3. Please mark that guy, yung rest. Mark niyo yung rest. What the fuck, Forza?
Okay.
Be careful,
Pinapatay nila lang
Please
sa pin
inform
3
tayo.
yata.
Bastion.
Nice one.
They died.
DDS team.
DDS is on pin 3. Good job.
Wala tayong kalaban, Luis.
We have good position. We can stay still.
Don't have enemy.
Di ba malakas tong
Whenever they
Battle of
push, we
Fates?
prioritize pin 8. We prioritize
Hindi
pin
lang
8.
malakas sa
Okay,
lahat.
and chain them down.
Hindi clandestine pa. Up here, if
Hindi
they
mo
walk
naman-
up.
Alliance na
They walk up from here. Whis? Here. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Let's see. If
We don't
they
need to
can
go to
push
pin- we
from
don't need to
party
go to-
pin 5 and they're stuck here at pin 8, just go down. We'll bomb
They
here.
summon pin 3.
Okay, they're pushing. I think they can come
We
up
can
to
go
pin
break.
5.
We can go
Okay.
break summon.
Okay.
Leave.
That's tanks.
Jump down.
Careful.
Go pin 1.
Aegis.
Go to pin 3.
Ready, ready?
Go pin
Behind
1
you,
and go.
Go.
Get out. Go to their summon. What one? Try kong pumwesto ng summon. We can break summon. Get out of stone.
Have a shield.
They're capping.
Help ako sa third.
Wait, we can hit someone. Forza, come here.
Medyo marami na nasa loob, ah. Careful.
Summon is down. Just a little bit more. Ay,
Sino may buff sa inyo?
Kill them. Okay, no more
What?
summon.
Nawapsan kita. Aray.
Oh, sige.
Flop to summon. Now we wipe them. No more summon.
Ready? Buff?
They flop to summon.
Go.
You can kill them.
Meron.
You don't need to summon here. Just
Heal
wala
pot.
ako, kill them.
Oh shit,
Wala
namatay.
ako, wala akong patay.
Oo nga. Mamamatay na ako.
Wala na silang sama.
Good job, Forza.
Oh,
And
marami na tayo sa loob.
taking down the summon.
It's time to walk.
Keep killing them.
Ang
You're doing
alliance.
good. Kill everyone inside now. Kill everyone inside now. Sorry, I'm not seeing the fight. I fell.
Oh.
I fell.
Di ba ito yung mga kaaway ni ano? Ni Marco.
Ayaw ng away ni Marco.
Mga ZG.
Matisil.
Ano na?
Nasa clandestine na ba ito? Yung mga trash talk niya dati.
Kagiltata nila yan dati. Mga CG.
Naba. Only
Galit
fam.
kay Marco, mga
Kill
pennies.
someone. I got 1 kill now. Pwede ka namang pumatay, Bourbon eh. Pwesto ko
Kung may
rin sa main.
paglalagyan pa si Marco after nitong mga away-away na plastic sa yan.
Abutin na rage mo.
Hindi pa kaya patanggap kay Marco.
Come to me.
Dami niyang kaaway.
Biko Eray. Come to Eray. Where is Eray? I buff.
Dito pa kayo?
Debo.
Saan kayo?
Flying.
Pots.
Pupunta pa
Sabayan
ako.
kita. Sabayan kita. Ayan.
Nasa, nasa likod ako ni Nessa.
Okay, sabay tayo po nga. Nag-zombie sila. Mukhang mapipitas ako pag mag-isa ako.
Pin 1 ako daraan.
Eh, dito kami sa ano? Ano ba to?
Agan.
Yeah,
A1 now,
pin four.
A1 now. I need chains on A1. Chains on
Sige,
A1.
lilikuran
Get
natin
inside
to.
A1. Tanks. Guardians here.
Bagal lumipad yung mga akin. Pa-cooldown muna ano ko. Stamina ko.
Stop.
Lalakad muna. Sakto to. We bomb at stairs.
They can't get inside.
Fuck long
Ready.
range.
Ready. Ready.
Keep pulling them down. DDS, cut them up.
Game ah. Go.
Now we clear them out. Wiped ang DDS. Okay. Focus killing everyone inside now. Kill everyone inside. Good job. Time bombs inside. They are pumping too much.
I think we need to go inside. Inside square. We fight here.
May bilog ka.
See you, Zan. Ano mo, Yuzan? Pinafocus ako ni Yuzan Ano to? Crossbow dag.
Focus din kita.
Okay, sige, mamamatay to. Mamamatay sa ano to.
Ah,
May debuff ba?
Just
Go.
completely kill them.
Wala. Let's go. GG.
Okay. Bakit?
Ito sa likod. Sige, ubusin na ito nga sa likod. Pin 7.
Kasi ano ko pa naman OJT. Pag OJT, summon ka mo.
Melon eh. Oh shit, nalaglag ako.
Intern.
Sasama po ba tayo? Aroy.
ang need.
Sige, stream muna tayo sa ano. Okay. So ito position na
Bubble.
ano.
Tulong ako.
Purple mark.
Wait lang, wala ako. I'm lagging.
I think we can position here at pin 2. Party pin 2. Kasi na iipit tayo eh. We're getting sandwich on pin 5 or on party pin 5. We can clear from here going to party pin 5. Clear here first, pin 2, pin 3, then go to pin 5.
Nandito sila sa ano, pin
Okay. Nalilikuran kasi tayo. Daanan natin sila sa stairs.
Okay. Some tanks can position in A3. This might be our summon timing now, Bourbon. Get ready. I will let you know.
Pero ang dami natin ngayon ah.
61 online.
Huwag mo iharap sa mga bato yung summon na
Yung mga invi pa.
maano kami. Babag.
May ano daw?
We're waiting
Ah,
for their push and
May war games?
Meron na.
Sino kalaban?
Sigma attack.
Ah, Sigma.
Pero di ko sure.
There are many at Philippine 3. Kita nyo si Res? Siya na lang yung mark ko.
Abot ka ba?
Ay, snipe. Sniper.
You can distract them if DDS, if you can go pin 3. You can destroy them here on pin 3. Tagal nilang gumalaw. Wala nang time.
After nito.
Okay, pushing from
Ayun
8
si
pin
Temer
8,
oh, yung nakik...
from pin 8. Chain.
Google line na rin si Wiz. What the fuck?
Chain.
Okay,
Ah,
wait,
dyan
wait.
sino? Pati si more than blue.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh,
be
nandun
careful, be
sila.
careful. They're pushing from pin 8.
Ready?
Bababa na
Ready,
sila.
ready?
Sama now.
Ready, ready.
Okay, let's go. Buff. Here. Purple mark.
If you are taking the summon, prioritize taking down pin 4 first. Get to pin 4. If you are taking summon, kill people from pin 4.
Aray, nailang pa ba?
Asama ako sa'yo, sasabay ako sa'yo. Mamamatay ako dito.
Mute sa 7 na lang.
Pin 7.
Stay
We clear pin 7. If you can go pin 7, we clear pin 7.
Give up ka na.
Yun lang. Wala pa akong ikot.
Wala lang Gini.
Yun, tapos nakakawala na si
Uy, nalaglag.
Grapple dito, di ba?
Yes,
Diba?
yes.
Pucha, ano pa yun? May devo kayo? Tara, baba tayo dito.
May
Demo?
Demo.
Diba?
Game.
Too far. Demo.
Wala na kalaban.
Manipis.
Hindi na.
Okay, push your stairs. I'll pull stairs.
Okay, meron ako.
Pull back a little bit.
2 minutes na lang.
So, ko na to.
Ba't nakik yung yung tropa nila? Yung war
Hindi yata nag...
Okay, I think
Nakik
you can
yung
fight.
healer. Hindi, mag-online yung healer.
I need to eat.
Nagsabi na malilate. Kinik ni Flurry, yung teamer.
Alam ko mag-keep temporarily lang.
Hindi, kasi mag-online naman eh. Makaka-attention ng siege talaga eh. Malilate lang ng konti. Kinik pa din ni Flurry.
Hindi napansin ni Claire.
Hindi napansin na nagsabi. Ayun, nagtampo sila. Umalis sila lahat. Yung static.
Skyflex.
Last push.
Tapos natalo.
Okay, they're pushing.
Ready. Go
Uh,
for one last ride. Popping up.
Okay, wait a little bit.
Tanks get in position A1.
Further back. Hilang. Okay.
Pinaps na kita.
Okay. Ilang, sige, laban tayo sa gitna na to.
Abot mo hanggang sa baba.
Pinabot yung ikot ko. Jesus. May ulti ba to?
GG's everyone. Good job, good job.
Jesus.
Good job everyone. Thank you for coming. We have really good attendance there.